How to add email ID in WhatsApp in your Android or iPhone. So if you want to add email ID in your WhatsApp and Android or iPhone, it's the same process. So what you need to do is just simply open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open up your WhatsApp, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the account section, tap on account, which is on the first option. And here you will have an option of email address. So tap on email address, and in my case, I've already added the email address. Now, if you want to add email address, then on the bottom, you will have add email address. You can simply tap on add email address and enter your email address. Or if you want to change the email address, then you just need to simply go with the right side, which has a pencil shaped icon, and just remove the email address, which is right here, and add another email address. Once you've added your other email address, or once you've added your email address, you just need to simply go with next. And once you tap on next, then you will receive a code or OTP on the email address that you've just entered. So you just need to simply go with your email, find the OTP, which will be on the top of your mail inbox. And then you need to copy the OTP from the email address and paste it right here. And after that, your email will be verified. So in this way, you'll be able to add the email address on your WhatsApp, on your Android or iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.